In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create two Gmail accounts using the same mobile number and add another Google account. Whether you're sharing a device with someone or simply need separate accounts for different purposes, this guide will help you achieve that seamlessly in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, the good news is that Google does allow you to create multiple Gmail accounts using the same mobile number. So, if you're concerned about needing a separate phone line for each Gmail account, you can set those worries aside. However, it's important to note that Google does limit the number of accounts associated with a single phone number. Typically, you can link around 4 or 5 accounts to one number. Keep this in mind as you proceed, especially if you're planning to create several accounts in the future. Now, once you've set up your initial Gmail account, you'll want to add another. This is a straightforward process. The first step is to click on your account profile picture. You'll find this in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Just tap on it and a drop down menu will appear. In the drop down menu, look for the option that says add account. It's usually listed right there, making it easy to spot. Click on add account and this will prompt Gmail to walk you through the process of adding a new one. The instructions that appear next on your screen are crucial. They'll guide you through creating a new account linked to your existing phone number. You'll need to follow these on-screen instructions carefully. If you already have a Google account, the system might ask you to verify your details using either your password or a code sent to your mobile number. And if you're setting up a brand new account, be prepared to enter some basic information like your name and an alternate email address for recovery purposes. Also, don't forget to create a strong password to secure your new Gmail account. These steps should guide you with ease moving from one screen to the next, as Gmail prompts you along the way. You'll find that Gmail has a user-friendly interface, so adding another account should take just a few minutes of your time. And there you have it, a quick and easy method to add another Gmail account with the same mobile number. You can now effortlessly manage multiple accounts all within one device. Remember though, the limit on how many accounts your mobile number can have, and always ensure your accounts are secure with strong, unique passwords. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks.